Good morning. Thank you for tuning in today for another What's New Wednesday update.
As usual, we're going to start with some new additions to our catalog.
New materials this week include Kamala Harris, Rooted in Justice, is a juvenile biography that tells the story of how Senator Harris grew from a little girl in Oakland fighting to use a soccer field to continue her fight for justice as a senator. The latest novel from Nicholas Sparks, The Return. In the romantic tradition set by his previous #1 New York Times bestsellers, Sparks brings the tale of an injured Navy doctor and the two women whose secrets will change the course of his life. The Valkyrie Protocol by David Weber follows the plight of Agent Kaminsky and crew who stumbled upon an implosion that has already destroyed 2 galaxies and is headed their way. Now they must travel to the past in an attempt to save the future without creating deadly paradoxes. Kovels Antiques and Collectibles Price Guide 2021. Before slapping a dollar price tag on it in a yard sale, maybe flip through this book with descriptions, pictures, and estimated values to make sure that creepy doll your great aunt gave you isn't worth a fortune. And last we have Capone, a new movie starring Tom Hardy as the notorious Chicago businessman, bootlegger, and mob boss. This true story follows Capone as he tries to hide his wealth from government eyes.
Remember, you can view our catalog anytime on our website, and you can also use your personal account on the website to pay fines or place holds.
You can pick up any items you want to check out in person in our libraries on Mondays and Wednesdays. We are open 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on those days.
We also offer curbside service on Tuesdays and Thursdays for the community's service and convenience. If you want to utilize this service, you can call us at 270-338-4760 to reserve your items and schedule your pickup appointment.
Other items are also available for pickup from us, as well as books, music, and movies we check out. We have kids' activity kits with books and related activities that can be checked out, and we give away craft kits and for the teens and kids that do not have to be checked out or returned to us.
Those giveaway kits are available for preschoolers every week, and for elementary age kids, preteens, and teens the first week of each month through December. Elementary and teen kits will go out next week, but we do require that you register in advance though, so if you haven't already signed up, make sure you do that at the link provided no later than Friday evening.
You only need to sign up each child one time this fall. If you have previously signed up and received your September kits, you don't need to fill out the registration form again.
Adults won't be left out either. We are preparing surprise grab bag style craft/activity kits for our adult patrons. Contents will be a surprise, so you won't know what you're getting until you receive your pack. The next batch of those kits will be available for pickup at Harbor Memorial beginning October 12th.
Supplies are limited, however, so again, we do require registration. Only the first 20 patrons to request a kit will be eligible for the month's giveaway. Registration opens next Monday, so make sure you follow us on social media to be notified and get the link once the registration goes live.
We will give away one more set of those surprise kits for adults in November, so if you miss your chance this month, you will have another opportunity next month.
That's all we have for this week's update. Thank you for watching today's video. Stay safe and have a great week.